I woke up this morning, right? That was in front of me, like, yo, man, you can't.
What? He's busting. He's saying you're retarded. Get him. Get him. He got beat up. And just to explain his face, right, why he looked like that is because I just fucked him up. That's what I do to people who owe me money or act like bitches.
The real reason he looked like that. The real reason he looked like that, his mom had a miscarriage and he survived. Oh man.
He was born this way today.
He the only boy I know who survived abortion.
He like that nigga's the wildest abortion.
Oh man. Come up with the most insane joke ever.
Okay, I'm done. What's up with the story, yo?